Hey Fab fans, it's Tiffany, head writer for Boston Fab of thefabempire.com, here for your weekend highlights. On Friday, Discover Roxbury is hosting a black and white party at the Museum of Fine Arts, or MFA. The point of the party is to highlight artists in the Roxbury neighborhood. So everything will be in black and white, including you. So definitely pull out that attire that fits with the theme. The cost is $20, and for more information, log on to the Fab. On Saturday, Tito Jackson will be sworn in as the Boston City Councilor of District 7. The swearing in will take place at Hibernian Hall. Doors open at 12 and the event will start at 1 and is open to the public and is free. Also, comedian Wayne Brady will come to the Wilbur Theater. He has two shows, one starting at 7 p.m. and the other at 9:45 p.m. Tickets are $50 to $75 and should be an interesting show as Wayne does all of his shows totally improv. I got that little tidbit from Jacqueline Williams of datingboston.com. Alright, and also the Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Inc. and alumni will be hosting their annual Blue and White Ball. It's actually in 75 Gar Highway in Swansea, Mass. And I'm going to be honest, I have no idea where Swansea, Mass is. But if you do, and you feel like traveling out there to be with the Sigmas, definitely check them out. So, for all this and more, all the details on how to find your Fab, definitely log on to www.thefabempire.com. And if you see me out, definitely say hey and let them know that you saw it on the Fab. Alright, see you next week.